All right, we're on to the next section of the gradebook. We're going to focus over here. First is this, and this says sync changes to Infinite Campus. That's what we use for our grading to communicate with students, parents, and families. One tip I will give you, if Schoology syncs with another grading program, you're going to want to make sure you install it from the App Center and assign it to each course, right? That's going to enable this to show up in the first place. When I click this, it's going to sync everything. Here is going to show me the status log, okay, and which shows me that the syncs were in fact successful. Okay, this plus allows me to easily add an assignment, add a test or quiz, but remember tests and quizzes are going away in lieu of assessments. Add a discussion, or probably my favorite one in that category, add a grade column. So say in class today, I decided really quickly to add a grade for participation. I could just name it participation, put it out of say 25 points, leave it here, pick the sections I want to put it in. Remember, this is saying published or not. And then it will quickly create a column in the gradebook, and it will not have a blue link back to the assignment, but it allows me to very easily enter a grade. Okay, and then these three dots. Okay, the first one, bulk edit. Probably my favorite thing about this gradebook. Literally pulls up everything, one window, one screen. I mean, although you have to scroll, but you can change the title, you can change the category, the point value, the factor, which is nice. Like if students didn't do so well in assessment, I might want to lower the factor. Okay, I can change due dates, I can change due times, I can publish, unpublish super easily right here. Okay, I don't have to go around clicking to assignments. So in the morning when I'm publishing, I literally just use bulk edit and click these. Okay, and I could change it if I wanted to. Say I need alpha grades or rubric grades. I could change it if I had chosen something by mistake. I could change the quarter that I want to put something in. Maybe I've changed the due date and it's crossed into another quarter. Okay, so bulk edit, probably my favorite feature in the gradebook. Okay, now we'll go back. Again, I'm going to toggle full screen right away as I prefer this view. Okay, next thing, print reports. This is going to allow you to view essentially what you would see if I clicked on a student's individual name. Okay, and I can choose it for specific students for the whole class, but students can see that on their own as well. This is to export if I wanted to get an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file, and I can import as well. Okay, so that covers everything over here. This bulk edit, remember, my favorite, great tool, especially when you have a lot of things to publish, unpublish, change points, due dates, super fast.